You've blended parsley, lettuce, celery, chard, and kale into a green drink. It is alive. It's organic. You can feel the enlivening. But did you know that when you partake, you are standing on the shoulders of giants, like Dr. Kirshner, who burst out of the drear of the 60s with his nature's healing grasses, and Victoria Butenko, who promulgated green drinks worldwide a decade ago. But we cannot stop there. We've got to ask, why is it that so little is being done by way of prevention? And prevention begins with the gut. It is a fundament of natural healing that much of illness originates there. And if that is the case, we've got to ask ourselves, why not limit oneself to 2 meals a day? Why not even consider 1 meal a day? Why not fast on water for 1 day each week? After all, fasting is the royal road to health. And I might mention it's especially efficacious when dealing with the common cold. So why not, brothers and sisters, promulgate a day of fasting? Think of it, a national fast, a day of cleansing, a day of renewal, a day of regeneration, a day of contrition. When one comes off a fast properly, one feels rejuvenated and recreated. It's a shortcut to losing weight, so necessary when 1/3 of Americans are obese. Why not a national day of planting trees? Every American planting a tree. The winter months are just ahead. They are the ideal time to plant a tree. Let's remember that trees absorb carbon and other gases from the atmosphere. A single mature tree can absorb 48 pounds of carbon a year and makes enough oxygen for 4 people to breathe fresh air. Trees can protect coastal communities from severe flooding and storms by slowing the water's strength as it surges on land, and by absorbing excess water in the soil and releasing it as water vapor into the air. Trees provide shade, which helps the soil retain moisture rather than drying out. And this supports vivacious agriculture. Trees and agriculture go together. More shade and less sun in urban areas also helps reduce energy consumption, further reducing emissions and saving on cooling costs. Trees are anchors for plant and wildlife diversity. Trees create healthy ecosystems that convert the sun's energy through photosynthesis, absorb and transfer carbon, build soil, and create an abundance of aliveness everywhere. So why not, brothers and sisters, why not a day where every American plants a tree? And then, why not a day of no junk food, no snacks, no soft drinks, no takeout? After all, ultra-processed food is the fast track to obesity. The next stop after that is diabetes. It is sad to see people lining up outside junk food joints, and this in the midst of a pandemic. And then why not a day of vigorous exercise? Imagine every park, every playground, every schoolyard filled with Americans engaged in calisthenics, stretching, and moving to the sound of music. We shall yet come together in a spirit of loving kindness. Let us then build here, brothers and sisters, an edible schoolyard for the human spirit. Thank you indeed. A privilege to share with you. We appreciate so much your comments and constructive criticism. Let us go forward.